I am an ardent supporter of a win-win situation, not a win-lose, not a lose-win. And the story I'm going to tell you is not about negotiations. It's about a Russian guy that really made me think out of the box and surprised me and delighted me. When I wrote my second book, which is titled "Η κρίση θέλει κρίση," or in English, Crisis, Let's Beat It, I wanted to differentiate it from the first book, and I wanted to put some cartoons in there. But I didn't know which illustrator to contact, so I went on Facebook. At the time, I had 7,000 followers, and in 2012, that was the crisis in Cyprus approximately, I asked the question, do you know any illustrators? Immediately, in less than 10 minutes, I got 6 replies. 5 Cypriots were introduced and a Russian guy. So I called all of them. And I said, look, guys, I'm going to send you one chapter from the book. The chapter, by the way, was about comfort zones. It was about small elephants. In India, they have more elephants than cats and dogs. And how do they keep them at bay? They tie a rope around their leg. They let them loose for 6 meters. They try to break away, and they can't. So when they become 5-ton elephants, they leave the same rope, the same stick in the ground, and the elephant never tries. Even though they can break away, they can smash the house and leave, they never try. So I said, this is the chapter. All 5 Cypriots, I'm a Cypriot as well, but that's what happened. All 5 Cypriots told me they needed 4 to 5 weeks for the first drawing. And I asked them, how's business? Because during the crisis, they said, not very good. We're not doing very well. Then I called the Russian guy. His name was Igor Varchenkov. He's the guy you see here. So I called the phone. His wife answers, this is Natalia, how may I help you? I said, may I speak to Igor, please? Tell me. Why should I tell you? Can I talk to Igor? He says, no, Igor doesn't speak Greek. Igor doesn't speak English. So I said, okay. I told her the whole story. She said, Michael, do you have 10 minutes to meet for a cup of coffee so you can explain better? And I said, I'm sorry, I'm giving a presentation at the University of the Cyprus University in Nicosia at 7 p.m. I cannot meet tonight, but I can meet tomorrow. I go swimming every day. We can meet at Costa Coffee on Leoforos Makariou at 7 a.m. Where is your presentation? I told her, where is my presentation? So I go in the evening to give a presentation at the university. As soon as I finish, I see 2 big guys, not Cypriot looking. Congratulations, Michael, you were excellent. The woman speaking, the man following. I said, Natalia, how did you know? How did you know? From the accent. But do you speak Greek? How did you understand my speech? It was in Greek. She said, no, from the body language. Body language, very good. See you tomorrow? Okay, see me tomorrow. So I go tomorrow, the next day at Costa. I arrive at 7 o'clock. Immaculate, on time, they were there waiting for me. What would you like to drink? They told me. I said, no, I'm bringing the drinks. As soon as I came back from the drinks, this is exactly what I saw in front of me. Igor Varchenkov found a Cypriot to translate. This is the original sketch. We changed it a bit. I put number 1 here and number 2 here, not number 3. So he said, he was born an elephant. They tied him up with a rope. After 30 years, the elephant didn't move. Then a monkey told him, let's go for a ride. He thought he had chains. He never moved. And then a bird freed him. I said, Igor, that's great. I love it. How long will it take you for the other 23 stories to complete them? He said, 1 month. 1 month, I handshaked and I left Costa Coffee. As I was going back home, I realized that I didn't agree a price. So I called to ask how much it would cost. But the deal was done because Igor Varchenkov understood that you need to step back, understand what your customer wants, surprise and delight them with your listening skills, with your soft skills, with your empathy, deliver more than expected the day before it's due, and that's how you win a customer. That's how you win their heart.